In this video we will learn how to install Java JDK 8 on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to install Java JDK 8 on Windows 10, it is really simple. Just go and open your browser and type in here for Java JDK 8 download. Make sure you are connected with the internet, and once you are here, just go and click on Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads by Oracle. So here we are. Just scroll down below and first accept the license agreement, and here you need to now download the respective version. This is for the 32-bit computer, this is for the 64-bit computer. In order, if you want to know what kind of system you have, just go to your this PC, right click it and click on properties. So here against the system type you can see what kind of PC you have. So I have 64-bit PC, so I would download the respective version. Here it is. Click on this and the download will start shortly. So now the Oracle asks you to sign in to the Oracle account when downloading the Java JDK. So in case if you do not have an account, just go and click on create account, and if you have an account, just go and click on sign in. So the download has started. Just go and click on start download, and it will take a bit of a time. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would just go to my download section and the programs. Here I have Java JDK 8. Just go and double click it to open it. Once your download is completed, click on yes. So the installation process will begin shortly. Just go and wait for this process to start. So here we are. Just go and click on next, and it will start preparing to install. So now click on next, and it will take a bit of a time, so it is updating the component. Just go and wait for it to complete the process. So in some of the cases during the installation of the Java JDK, it would install the Java JRE. In that case, a pop-up box will appear. Just go and click on next, and the Java JRE would also be installed with the Java JDK. So I would be back when this installation process is near to completion or completed. So here we are. Just go and click on next, and it would install the Java JRE, and I will be back when this process is completed. So the installation is completed. Just go and close it. Now we need to add the path to our Windows path system. For that, just go and open your Finder, and here go to local disk C. Now go to program files. In any case, you might have a Java folder in either this program files or this program files. In my case, it is in this one, so I would just go and open the Java. Now go to JDK folder, go to bin, and here copy this path by Control C. Once you have copied it, just go to your start and type in here for this PC. Here I have this PC, right click it, go to properties. Here click on advanced system settings. Here click on environment variables. Now here click on path, click on edit, click on new, and here paste the path you have just copied and click on OK. Click on OK, click on OK. Now the Java JDK 8 on Windows has been successfully installed. In order to verify that, just go and open your command prompt and type in here for Java C, and you would see a list of commands by the Java compiler. It means the Java has been successfully installed. So here it is. So hope this tutorial has helped you in installing Java JDK 8 on Windows 10. So hope, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.